Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to whip up a simple, delicious, and flavorful mushroom cheese omelette. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or any time you're craving a hearty meal. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: some eggs, fresh mushrooms, a nice handful of cheese, plus a little butter for cooking, and of course, some salt, pepper, and garlic powder to bring out all that flavor. Alright, let's heat up our pan over medium-low heat. Throw the sliced mushrooms into the pan with the butter. We're going to sauté these until they're nice and soft. The mushrooms will release some moisture, so keep cooking until that evaporates and they start to brown slightly. Let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll want them tender and a bit golden. While the mushrooms are cooking, crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them up until they're nice and smooth. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and garlic powder to the eggs to keep that seasoning balanced. Looking good. Now we're going to pour in the eggs. Gently swirl the pan to make sure they spread evenly. As the eggs start to cook, keep an eye on the edges. Once they begin to firm up, it's time to add the mushrooms. Then sprinkle a generous amount of cheese right over the center. The cheese will melt into the eggs, making everything extra gooey and delicious. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes for the cheese to melt and the omelette to set completely. Now it's time to fold. Gently lift one side of the omelette and fold it over, covering that cheesy goodness inside. And there you have it, a mouth-watering mushroom cheese omelette, golden on the outside and cheesy on the inside. This is the perfect combo of savory mushrooms and melty cheese, all wrapped in a soft, buttery omelette. Give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more easy, tasty meals. See you next time.